Microsoft Lens is dead. They retired the standalone scanner app and merged it into OneDrive, which forces sign-in, auto-uploads your documents, and lost half the features. So what do you use now? Here are the best document scanner replacements for Android. Microsoft retired their standalone Lens app and folded it into the OneDrive app. The OneDrive version is bloated, forces you to sign in, automatically uploads your scans to the cloud, and lost key features like editing edges on already taken photos and saving as PDF locally. It's a massive downgrade. My top pick for most people is the scanner built into Google Files. It's already on your phone. Open the app, tap the floating button at the bottom, hit scan, take a photo of each page. It converts everything into a single PDF. No sign in, no upload, no hassle. Most people don't even know this feature exists. For power users, OSS Document Scanner is the most recommended option. It's free, open source, and the developer is incredibly responsive. It has auto edge detection, perspective correction, and saves locally. You can get it from GitHub or F-Droid. No ads, no tracking, no cloud. If you're willing to pay, Genius Scan is the best paid option. It's a one-time purchase with no subscription. The auto color correction makes scans look professional, not like phone photos. And the file name automatically becomes the email subject when you share, which is a small detail that saves time. A few more worth mentioning. Google Drive has a built-in scanner with an auto scan mode that turns pages automatically. Notebloc has been around for over 10 years with a clean interface and perspective correction. FairScan is privacy focused and available on F-Droid. And Adobe Scan has great OCR, but turn off your data connection because it uploads everything to Adobe's cloud. Apps to be careful with. CamScanner had a trojan detected in 2019. The company says it was from an ad library and has been removed, but it's your call. Adobe Scan is great, but uploads your documents by default. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data before scanning. And OneDrive, the new home for Lens, is bloated and forces cloud uploads. Before downloading anything, check your stock camera app. Most modern Android cameras, Samsung, Pixel, OnePlus, now have document scanning built in. Point your camera at a document. If it highlights the edges and offers a scan button, you might not need a separate app at all. Scanning, start with Google Files. It's already on your phone and does the job. For power users who want open source and full control, use OSS Document Scanner, and if you want the best paid experience, Genius Scan is a one-time purchase that's worth it. Those are the best replacements for Microsoft Lens, Google Files for simplicity, OSS Document Scanner for power users, Genius Scan if you want to pay once. Drop a comment and tell me which scanner app you'll be switching to or which one you use already.